Hi children, we have done days of the week. Now, supposing somebody asks you, what day is today? What day is tomorrow? What day will be yesterday? So, today we are going to do an exercise. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. An exercise so that you should be able to say, what day is today? Yesterday, what day was yesterday? What day will be tomorrow? You will enjoy the exercise of the days of the week. Yes, let's look at our exercise. Read and find the answer. Good. Here we are. Let's read together. What is this? Yesterday. Good. Today. Tomorrow. Good. Yesterday. Yesterday, what day was yesterday? Yesterday was Saturday. Yesterday was Saturday. What day is today? Today is Sunday. Good. What day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Monday. So you should be able to say yesterday, today, tomorrow, day after. You should be able to say. Yes? Now, let's read this. Suppose today is Sunday. Before Sunday is Saturday. After Sunday is Monday. Good. If today is Sunday, then before Sunday comes Saturday. After Sunday comes Monday. Yes? So that's what we are going to do. It's a lovely exercise. Today, yesterday, and tomorrow. Good. Let's look at more. Look what you have here. Read this. You have days of the week over here. Yes? All the days of the week have capital letters. They are names of days. Read. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all the 7 days of the week. What does it show here? Suppose today is Monday. Today is Monday. What day will be yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. Yes, yesterday was Sunday. And today is Monday. What day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. So today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Did you learn? Yes. You should be able to say what was yesterday, what is today, what will be tomorrow. Now, supposing today is Tuesday. Let's say today is Tuesday. What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was good. Monday. Now, if today is Tuesday, what day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Correct. Okay? Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Did you learn that? Okay, let's say today. Today is Wednesday. What was yesterday? The day. Yesterday was Tuesday. The day before Wednesday is Tuesday. Now, what day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Thursday. So today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Okay. Now let's say today. Today is what day? Let's look at another exercise. Today is Thursday. Okay? What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. Good. Then What day will be tomorrow? Today is Thursday. What day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Friday. Good. Yesterday is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Good. Let's take another exercise. Let's say today is Friday. Today is Friday. What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday. And what day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Saturday. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good. This is chess reading, thinking, listening, reading exercise. Yes, you enjoyed? Good. Now, let us say today is Saturday. You like Saturdays? To stay at home? Yes, today is Saturday. What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Friday. Yesterday was Friday. What day will be tomorrow? Today is Saturday. What day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Sunday. Good. Tomorrow will be Sunday. Good. Let's say now today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Saturday. What day will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Monday. Did you enjoy the exercise, children? Good.